phone numbers of 6 lakh Indian Facebook users sold on Telegram. Facebook has been trapped in yet another privacy and customer data breach incident as almost 6 lakh Indian users' phone numbers are being sold to Telegram via a bot. According to the Motherboard report, the bot exploited the Facebook vulnerability to access Facebook account across all the countries. The Telegram bot is selling a phone number or a Facebook ID for $20 or 1500 Indian rupees, while the batches of 10,000 numbers are being sold at $5,000 each. Airtel becomes the first Indian telecom operator to test on-field rollout of 5G in the country. Airtel on Thursday revealed that it has become the first telecom operator to successfully demonstrate live 5G services over a commercial network in Hyderabad. Taking on Reliance Jio, the New Delhi-based telecom operator announced that it operated 5G and 4G concurrently over the existing spectrum in 1800 MHz band via non-standalone network technology. Airtel 5G is marketed to have 10 times the speed of current network technology, enabling consumers to download a full-length video on a 5G handset in a matter of seconds. App for Union Budget launched. Ahead of the Union Budget 2021, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has recently launched an app to help common man understand the budget better. This app comes loaded with various features and gives complete access to 14 Union Budget documents, including the annual financial statement, commonly known as budget, demand for grants, financial bills, etc., as prescribed by the Constitution. The Budget app has been developed by National Informatics Center under the guidance of Department of Economic Affairs. The development of this app holds significance as the Union Budget, for the first time since independence, will go completely paperless. WhatsApp users can now move their chats to Telegram. WhatsApp users who had been unsure of leaving the platform as they did not want to part with their older chats can now move to Telegram, as Telegram has rolled out a new feature which allows WhatsApp users to export their chat history along with all the multimedia files entirely on the Telegram. Free lunch for 1 kg of plastic waste. Yes, you heard it right. The South Delhi Municipal Corporation had launched this unique initiative called Plastic Lao Khana Khao on January 23rd in Najafgarh zone. Continuing its novel green initiative, the SDMC on Thursday opened 23 more garbage cafes offering free meals in restaurants for 1 kg of plastic waste. Under this novel step, anybody depositing 1 kg of plastic waste with garbage cafes would get a coupon for a free breakfast, lunch or dinner in restaurants, partnering with the South Delhi civic body in this unique venture.